video is to show you how to open the rear hatch on a 2022 through 2025 Hyundai Tucson automobile. It was kind of tricky because we couldn't figure out how to undo the hatch, and if you look underneath here, it looks like it has a button, and so if you can feel underneath here, there's all kinds of things but nothing to undo it, and it's just under here. So if you feel underneath here, there's this little tiny thing, and you push that and it opens automatically. So it's this right here, and you never would have thought that, but it's this plain little lever right here. So that was really helpful once we figured that out. But that's on the Hyundai Tucson automobile. Here's the thing to shut it right here, which is self-explanatory, I feel like, but that one was much harder to find. You can also use the handle for that, or it has the automatic shut button. So thank you so much for watching Big Al Repairs, and hope